Oh well, we'll see what happens. May 8th, 1993. We are looking at a wall cloud just south of Wichita Falls, Texas along State Road 79. There is a tornado warning associated with this wall cloud. We'll have to see what's going to happen here. It looks to me like the upward motion is increasing.
Repeat a tornado warning effective until 4:15 for northern Archer County in northern Texas. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for portions of your listening area. Please stay tuned for the latest information on this dangerous weather situation.
Whoops. What I'd like to see is for the winds to pick up. God, this looks good. This is too much. This is insane. No, it's not. Where? It's in Oklahoma. Where? 8 miles northeast of Walters. Where's that? Oklahoma. I don't know. Northeast of Wichita County. That's way off to the north. You mean that V-shaped sort of thing?
Yeah, the V-shaped sort of thing. It might be a tornado.
Oh,
Yeah,
it might be. Hey, it's looking a little more like one.
How do you zoom in?
Put your finger up on this button and you press this. I think we got chaser convergence here. Somebody back here. Was it
That is going to turn into a tornado right now. Look at it. Look at it. It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
I think you may be right. Crack.
It's a tornado!
Get out of the camera!
You see debris?
Yes. There's no doubt about it. That's a tornado.
And look at this here.
This is beautiful.
I wish I had the damn camera loaded with film. Let's get closer.
We're fine. We're close enough.
I don't think so.
How close do you want to be?
A little bit closer.
It's already going back up, I think. I think this storm has 3 wall clouds, guys.
Look at it. It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
I think you may be right. Crack.
It's a tornado!
Get out of the camera!
You see debris?
Yes. There's no doubt about it. That's a tornado.
And look at this here. This is beautiful. Jeez, I wish I had the damn camera loaded with film. Let's get closer.
We're fine. We're close enough.
I don't think so.
How close do you want to be?
A little bit more south of it. I think we should drive a couple more miles. We get a better look at it.
You're sure? This thing acts like it's intensifying.
Also, by waiting here, if we're letting it get past us. We've really got to follow it, I think. Holy shit!
What is that?
Look at this, look at this.
I know, I see it.
All right, pull over. Are we getting like too close or what?
No, almost. Why don't we stop right up
Top
here?
of this hill, I think we top of the hill. Yeah, we'll do one.
All right, stop. All right, stop. Before it goes back up. It says manual focus. Hurry up.
It's fine. It should be manual focus. Because if it's in autofocus, it doesn't work very well with things like this. But the other thing's going descending.
Look at this over here. Look at the big cone, James.
You got it?
Yeah.
We have two here.
Watch out.
Sorry. It looks like it's almost down on the ground.
Here, Patrick.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
Because the button wasn't moving. That's okay. I got it now.
Look at this. Look at the rotation.
Oh, I know.
Look at the rotation on the back side back there.
I know. It's all being put on the tape.
It's got to be on the ground, doesn't it?
I don't know. I'm not completely positive. I don't see any definite circulation on the ground. If it isn't, it's like it could touch down at any moment.
I can't see how that's not on the ground. Well, shit, though. You can't see it go down all the way.
No? And it's going to drift out. It's very shortly, it's going to drift across the road and get away from us. Looks to me like it's not as well defined as it was there for a minute. Look at this. It's not on the ground now, that's for sure.
Well, look at all the, is that just rain underneath it?
Where? The stuff back behind it? The stuff...
Oh, is that behind it?
Yeah, that's behind it.
No, it's back up now.
Yeah, definitely. It still looks like a very well-defined wall cloud.
Oh, absolutely.
Look at this.
The best defined we've ever seen.
Oh, thank God we chased it.
Happy there, James, are you?
Oh, yes, and look over here to the right.
Oh,
another
it could be.
lower.
Could be.
Good stand for the north.
I don't. I don't.
I don't think anybody.
If anything, we need to think about heading east. And I don't have decent maps of this area. Come on, do it again.
You got video of the other one, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
The one we're sure of.
Well, I think we've seen 3. I think we've seen 3, at
The
least.
one, you know the one I'm talking about.
The one back at the last stop?
Yeah, back by the railroad.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
I'm glad because I almost feel like it almost seems unreal to me right now.
I'm sure. It does to me too. This is by far the best look I've ever gotten.
The inflow's weakened a little bit.
I think that's temporary.
In fact, the direction of the wind now is back this way.
It's gonna, in a minute here, it's gonna shift. It's gonna pick up. It's gonna shift to the west, and we're gonna get blasted by 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. That's the winds, the downdraft wrapping around the backside of this thing. The downdraft winds.
Which is partly what's producing that.
That's exactly right. See the convergence we've got up here? This area here, this white area right here marks.
Look at this over here.
Okay.
So this here is the, what do you call that then?
I don't know. It looks like some kind of inflow band.
Whole thing's going in.
That
You have a
could,
camera? Is there a camera in here?
This thing's trying
Yes.
again. This thing's gonna try again. What do I do? This doesn't show me through
winds. Yeah, it's out of. I'm having a lot of trouble focusing on it.
Let's get up there where we can see the damn thing.
All right. This thing is having so much trouble focusing, and I don't know why.